Hi everyone, welcome to Enchanted Rhymes where magic meet melody. Tidy up every day.
Time to tidy, let's do our part. Clean up the toys, it's a happy start. Put the blocks in the box. Clap your hands and shake your socks. Tidy, tidy, clean and bright. Make everything neat and right. Jump and spin, then say hooray. We tidy up every day. Pick up the dolls, put them away. Nice and neat for another day. Books on the shelf, nice and high. Wave goodbye and give a sigh. Tidy, tidy, clean and bright. Make everything neat and right. Jump and spin, then say hooray. We tidy up every day. Baskets here and baskets there. Let's all help, it's fun to share. Sing it loud with a big cheer. Tidy up, the best time of year. Now it's done, we're so proud. Clean and happy, feeling loud. Clap your hands, give a smile. Tidy time is worth the while. Tidy, tidy, clean and bright. Make everything neat and right. Jump and spin, then say hooray.
Hi there. If you enjoy this magical rhymes, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And share the videos. Your support makes our enchanted world even brighter. And remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon. Every like helps us bring more fun and songs to kids everywhere. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more enchanting rhymes from the Enchanted Rhymes.